Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Seller Hub on eBay using the 2025 full guide. If you're looking to manage your eBay sales more effectively, Seller Hub provides all the tools you need in one place. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can easily access and make the most of your Seller Hub. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. In that address bar, type eBay and hit enter to search. You'll then see a list of search results, typically with eBay right at the top. Click on this link to head to the eBay homepage. Once on eBay's homepage, focus your attention on the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. You will now be prompted to log into your account. It's a straightforward process. You enter your login details and click the button to access your account. If you're not already registered on eBay, you'll need to create an account first. Quick note, make sure you enable two-step verification for extra security. It helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After logging in, direct your attention back to the upper part of the screen, specifically where you see My eBay. Right next to it is a small arrow. Click on this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Selling. Congratulations, you've now entered the Seller Hub. If you don't see Seller Hub, don't worry. It might not be activated yet. You can visit ebay.com/sellerhub directly or click Try Seller Hub when prompted to enable it on your account. Here, you will find your eBay selling overview. This space provides a snapshot of your sales activity and is equipped with the tools you need to manage your listings and orders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice different sections within the overview, such as Sell an Item, Drafts, Scheduled, Active, and Orders. Each section provides specific functions that can help streamline your selling process. You'll also notice tabs like Performance, Marketing, and Payments. These give you insights into traffic analytics, ad campaigns, and payout history. Extremely useful for growing your business. For listing new items, click on Sell an Item to get started with creating and managing your product listings. Explore the draft section to find listings that you started but haven't yet published. If you have listings that you plan to activate at a later date, you'll find these under Scheduled. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple listings and want to automate when they go live. Tip: use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to improve your listing's visibility and increase buyer trust. eBay also recommends using at least 5 to 7 photos per item. Your active listing section will show all items currently available for purchase. Keep an eye on this area to manage stock levels and ensure your listings are up to date. Finally, the Orders section provides a detailed view of customer purchases, allowing you to manage shipments and track deliveries efficiently. You can also print shipping labels directly from Seller Hub, which helps you save time and money compared to going through the post office manually. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate and utilize eBay Seller Hub, making your selling experience smooth and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you great success with your eBay sales. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of eBay tutorials you'd like to see next. Maybe listing optimization, promoted listings, or handling returns.